here she is. Here she is in all of her glory. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am revealing my new Rezocut. I am so excited to be revealing this to you guys. There's so many different things that I want to touch on, which I will probably end up having to do 2 separate videos. But in this video, I really want to focus on the cut and also what I'm going to be doing going forward to really help my hair thrive and be its best. I'm going to get into all of that in this video. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel. Make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video and talk about my new haircut. All right, so if you saw a few videos ago, you would know all about my hair disaster. My hair decided to just break off in a million pieces. Well, it didn't just decide. It was partially my fault. I had protein overload, I had major bleach damage, I wasn't doing the things that I should be doing with my hair, and that resulted in basically a hair disaster. My hair just started breaking everywhere and there was no fixing it. There was no fixing it. And I truly, honestly, hand on the Bible, thought that I was gonna at least have to get my hair chopped to like ear level. I really honestly was thinking that maybe I should just shave my head and start all over again. My amazing stylist, Lucretia, she is incredible. I'm gonna leave all of the information for the stylist and the place that I went in the description bar. She is amazing at her art, and my stylist actually got certified by Nubia herself. Nubia came to her salon and actually trained her hands-on, so I thought that was really, really incredible. Basically, what a Rezocut is, if you've never heard of it, is it's a curly hair cutting technique. I really can't get into too much of the detail because I wasn't able to film at the salon. I did get like just a couple of little clips, and I'm hoping going forward when I go back to the stylist that I will be able to record a little bit more. She can give you more information in detail about this cut. But of course you can always Google it as well. When I was looking into this cut, I was kind of on the fence because I've gotten diva cuts in the past. That's what I had been getting for quite a few years, and I have an amazing stylist here in the Richmond area that does diva cuts. What I have found with diva cuts is that when you initially get it done, it looks incredible. The shape looks incredible, but as it grows out very uneven. What I have researched and found in my research with the Rezocut is that this cut not only maximizes volume and gives you amazing shape, but it is done in a way that as your hair grows out, it actually grows out evenly and looks just as good as it's growing out as it does when you first get it cut. My goal with this cut was to basically start fresh, try to regain the health of my hair and allow it to grow. I'm not trying to like get hair down to my waist or anything like that, but I would like to grow it back out. So I do believe she cut off like maybe 4 inches or so. It was honestly really, really bizarre to me because as she started cutting, I was like, that's it? That's all you need to cut? Like, don't you need to cut more? But whatever it is, however they do this technique, it's the coolest technique. It's like they grab all of the hair and it almost looks like a rose shape in the hand, and they just kind of like chop it like it's nothing like any hair cutting technique I've ever seen in my life. And this girl was able to cut my hair so quickly. The shape looked so good instantly. I was just shocked. So she was able to really blend even these little crazy pieces throughout the top of my head. Everything just blended really, really well. Now you can tell I still have some kind of stragglers at the bottom. I really think as that grows out, it's going to look just fine. I mean, honestly, I could have probably cut off another inch or so, like maybe right there. She really wanted to try to retain as much length in my hair as she could while still being able to blend everything. And I think she definitely achieved that. And if you are someone that is in the market for a curly haircut, if you have never gotten a curly haircut, I highly recommend going to someone that is certified in a Rezocut. I'm gonna go ahead and insert my before and after photos so that you can see exactly what my results were from each angle. Well, today is the day. This hair is getting cut. It's gonna get blended. I don't know what's gonna happen. I can't wait to see the results. I'm a little nervous, but we're going in. Alright, so now that you have seen my before and afters, I'm sure you are asking yourself, Brandy, how did you actually get your hair to look decent from that hair disaster video? Because you guys saw firsthand how bad my hair looked. I'm gonna insert another photo right here of what I was starting with, and it was horrendous, you guys. So this is when my hair was just completely broken off and just looking like a hot mess express. I'm gonna share with you in another video the things that I did, the steps that I took to really heal my hair to get it to where it's at right now. I still have a little ways to go, but it looks way better. Even before the cut, I was able to kind of balance out my hair between moisture and protein, and it really did make my hair look so much better even before the cut. That being said, I do want to share in this video what I'm going to be doing starting now, because I do kind of want to go on this healthy hair journey with you guys, and I'm going to be taking some supplements that I've never taken before. I'm going to take it for 3 months, and I'm going to show you guys each month what my progress is, how my hair is looking, how it's feeling. I'm starting with these right here. This is the Curlsmith Ultimate Links 30-Day Therapy. This is basically like hair vitamins. You take 2 vitamins each day, and it has biotin, collagen, goji fruit, just all kinds of amazing ingredients that is supposed to really help the health of your hair. In addition to this, because I want to try to get the best results possible, I'm also going to be using their scalp stimulating booster. This is by Curlsmith as well. It says to apply directly to dry or wet scalp daily, ideally in the morning. You massage it until it's thoroughly into the scalp. This is really supposed to help with fuller looking hair, which is what I am trying to get. And then last but not least, I'm also going to be using this, and this is their full length density elixir. This has castor oil, cedar wood, amla, green tea, soybean, lavender, witch hazel, thyme, clover, pea sprout. With this, you apply a few drops, ideally at bedtime, and you massage it into dry or wet scalp. This is supposed to help with density, fullness, and thickness of the hair. So I'm going to use this one in the morning. I'm going to use this one in the evening, and then of course just take this once a day. I could not be more excited to kind of go along this journey and really put them to the test for 3 full months and see kind of where my hair is. Curlsmith did send me these products, so thank you so much to Curlsmith. I did reach out to them and let them know that I was going through a little hair nightmare and that I would love to test out these products specifically. So they were nice enough to send these to me. I think that is it for this video. Definitely let me know what you think of the new cut. I am so happy with it, and this is a lot different than my Diva cut because it's a little bit shorter in the front than it is in the back, and it's more rounded. I'm just really happy with it. So I hope you guys are excited about this little healthy hair journey that I'm going on, and will stick around. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and make sure to stay tuned for updates on this journey. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.